Welcome home, Bitcoin truth seekers. It is Wednesday, November 4th, 2020. It's 10:19 a.m. here in the Arizona desert. It's a good day in the crypto market. Fiat is rolling into Bitcoin, rolling into Ethereum, rolling into Litecoin, and not so much into XRP. Anyway, check this out. Coin 360, there you are. Bitcoin last 24 hours up over 3%. It's over 14,000 again today. This is rocking. Ethereum has broken that psychological $400 barrier once again, up 6% last 24 hours. A nice beautiful dark green square there. Litecoin doing quite well, up 2.6%. Like I said, XRP, you're not doing so well today. Link, which many day traders have really been working hard, is up 2%, so it's in the green today. Cardano up 4%, pretty rocking. We definitely have lots of alts really making a strong move today, including Ethereum if you consider that an alt. All right, with that said, powerful green market in the day. Volume over 2 billion last 24 hours for Bitcoin. That's insane. That's rocking. That's about 100% more than usual. So most of that, of course, is on Binance. 1.2 billion of that is on Binance, and Coinbase is definitely showing up for work, and Kraken's number 3. I like to see that. So longs versus shorts sentiment on Binance for the volume is 65% long, 34% shorts. So the sentiment is long. All right. S&P 500 opens today with a gap on the positive side, a powerful green candle. Russell 2000 index, green candle. I wouldn't quite call it powerful yet, but it's definitely pretty sparky. DXY, dollar strength index, with a unique wick to the upside, definitely has opened today with a nice green candle. And of course, the KRE that I use for US Bank strength is showing a red candle. Good for them. All right, check this out. Daily on gold and silver. Daily for gold, red candle. Daily for silver, red candle. Looking at how many gold coins would it cost to buy a Bitcoin right now? 7.4 gold coins. I just want to note the daily candles, the daily chart. Yes, I guess the daily candles on the daily chart. See this beautiful, glorious uptrend that we have going on the daily. But note, you do a sawtooth pattern on the way up. That's how it works. Do note we're at the top of the daily channel as I have drawn it, as I see it. With that said, we're either going to break through that possible and, create a new support level on the top of that channel. It could happen. We got tremendous volume today. Things are looking good. The daily MACD, which was turning down at the end of a cycle, it looked like, is now turning up. Histogram is widening. So anything goes. Just realize we're going to see either a breakthrough at the top of this channel and new support there, or we're going to see rejection off of that, or maybe just a natural swing down on the way up, as one would expect. So with that said, just be aware that's around 12,500 to 13,000. All depends on how you look at it. But we are at a point of either breaking to the top of this channel in continuation and making that support, or we're going to see a swing back down. So be aware, watch. We are at a beautiful time, but definitely a time where we're going to, possibly be changing directions. We're going to get more momentum up, or we're going to basically do a natural retrace. Either one is pretty darn healthy, if you ask me. This is a look at the SPX today by Biffy. He's a guy in the Bitcoin Daily View Telegram chat, and he just mentions he does this amazing stuff with the Fibonacci, and he kind of puts it forward in time, and he was just basically noting right here, this is the end of a cycle, and you can hop on the Telegram group and talk to him about it. He's doing some amazing stuff. Most of the time it's over my head, but I just seek to grasp it and I gain something from it. Come and join the team, hang out. We talk crap all day about stuff and charts, mostly crypto and things that are, fun. It's definitely a G-rated, chat room. With that said, 4-hour chart for Bitcoin. The 4-hour MACD is looking amazingly rocking. It's above the mid-range. Histogram is widening, so that 4-hour MACD is looking glorious. Huge green candle today so far, way above the 200 moving average. That is a glorious, glorious, glorious thing to see. I know it's very immediate price action, but the 2-hour MACD to me is very, very powerful when it comes to showing immediate price action of Bitcoin. Beautiful green candle today, well above the 200 moving average, and the 2-hour MACD is above the mid-range, opening very, very powerfully, very, very positively. This is a glorious thing to see. So Also looking at the, we can just look at the 2-hour chart here. The Super Guppy indicator, all the EMAs are green, beautiful green candle here on the 2-hour chart. The directional index is green, ADX is a little low, but it's definitely turning up. Look at the stochastic and RSI, we definitely are in the mid-range there, have plenty of room to move up. We have, if we begin to go down, we have tons of previous support and resistance in the chart, previous buy-sell volume, well above the 200 moving average. This is just a glorious chart. We are on the up and up, but we are definitely getting into uncharted territory as we are going towards some serious new highs. New recent highs, of course, basically. So check this out. 45-minute chart, immediate price action, stochastic RSI, little bit high, but that's fine because it definitely could go sideways while Bitcoin continues to pump. Directional index is powerful, looking really, really good. ADX is a little low at 13, but it's on the way up. That's a beautiful thing to see when the price is pumping and the ADX is chasing it up. That's always a good sign. Do note this previous buy-sell volume in this chart. It is glorious. It acts like a magnetic attraction. Well, let's hope it doesn't. Let's hope Bitcoin keeps cruising up. But I want to say that, usually these little peaks are all like magnetic attraction. Like Bitcoin's going to tend to want to find one of those spots to pull towards. But look here at the previous support and resistance in the chart. So we have massive previous support and resistance in the chart, massive buy-sell volume support beneath us right now. So if we began a dump, if we did a retrace, 13.7, 13.8, that's about where I think worst case we're going to go back to. Of course, I know if you look at the daily chart, looking at like the big picture, definitely, where is that at? Yeah, definitely we could retrace quite a ways, but just looking at the immediate, price action, we have so much support and resistance underneath us between like 13,006, 13,008. Tremendous. So this might become we may not, if we continue on this kind of bullish movement, this might be the bottom for us as far as bounces on the way up. We shall see. It's all about whether we break through the top of this daily channel. This is an interesting time. We are in pump mode. We are in Lambo mode. It's 14,200 right now. So we are hitting uncharted territory. Let's see how things go. All right. Here's one. I like this guy. Michael Saylor. Now, I don't think it was on this podcast. It might have been on a different one. This is definitely a good one to check out. This is a very little short one, very inspirational about his take on Bitcoin, why it has value, why his company, one of them is like 50% in Bitcoin. Here's the deal. He says, and I kind of paraphrase, when you realize the lives that it has saved and the lives that it improves and the lives that it will save, being involved in Bitcoin becomes a bit of a moral imperative. Like when you realize the good it has done, the good it is doing, the good it will do, when you realize that this decentralized currency really is seriously saving human lives and offers an aspect of financial sovereignty for people who just can't have it any other way in this world. When you see the profound good it's doing, it's a moral imperative. You got to be into it. So really, everybody wants to help save the world. If honestly, I'd say dollar cost average Bitcoin, own Bitcoin. You're doing more than you could ever imagine. I really think it's important. That's why I do it, and that's why I always say, welcome home, Bitcoin truth seekers, because this is where we're saving the damn world, and I do believe that. So with that said, Celsius, I love this. Check out the show notes. You can put your crypto in there as a wallet. If you got your HODL, make interest on it. I make mad interest on my crypto HODL. Some of it, of course, I hedge in. Never put it all in one spot. The crypto.com card is rocking. I love it. Use the affiliate link. I love CoinTracker.io. It's rocking. It helps me track my crypto portfolio very, very well. And one of the nice things is it's kind of a good security feature because whenever anything moves in a wallet, like whenever I move something, make a trade, do this, do that, it instantly says, hey, this moved. And it starts showing you, your profit loss on that. So it is wonderful. Anyway, Bitcoin truth seekers, it's an interesting time. Take care. I will see you all again really, really soon. Keep saving the world.